Hi, hello, welcome to my video, welcome back if you've been here before, and hi if you are new. I'm Pixie, and because I've not been very well, I thought I would do one of my original style build videos where I don't actually talk that much through it because, well, as you can still hear, I've got a bit of a croaky throat and you don't want to hear me talk solidly 18 minutes when I feel like this. But today we are building the big farm. I think I mentioned this in the villager hunt video that this was going to be the next big build. I actually did it the same day as the villager hunt, so I was going to do the voiceover whilst I was building it, but my head is so fuzzy and I'm so tired, and I just think it would have been quite incoherent, that it would just be me talking a load of rubbish. But anyway, I did want to get this video up, so it's up. I hope you enjoy it. It turned out really nice. I don't know what to do with the Able Sister shop, so ignore that at the back. It needs to have its own build. I think the next build I'll do is the campsite build. The next build I'll do is the campsite build because I already have an idea for that and I've been collecting resources for it for a while. And yeah, so hopefully that will be up and I might talk through that one. But at the minute this is already hurting to talk and I'm very tired, and I'm not doing this for sympathy. I'm just letting you guys know that where I am at the minute, and hopefully, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I'm just tired. But yeah, hopefully I will be back to normal and we can chat along. And guys, last time I checked my channel, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's slightly less than this, but 15 more subs to go, and I said I would live stream. I would live stream, and I think my first live stream that I'm gonna potentially do is a villager hunt, so just a nice easy that I don't have to think too much, I just have to go looking for villagers. So yeah, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, because then we'll be doing that very soon, and I will also be getting my second Switch very shortly, and I am potentially thinking about modding this Switch when I finish this island, because I think I said it on another video, they are very popular in the Animal Crossing community, and I kind of feel like I always miss out on the trends, and I'm guessing it's something that everybody wants to watch at the minute. I wanted to do it anyway because naturally I'm quite creative and I like doing that. So yeah, give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you at the end of the video to say goodbye. So that's it guys, that's the end of the video. I really like how this has turned out. I know it's another farm and I've got quite a few farm areas. I've obviously got the first mini farm that I built that has like the horses and the cows, the pictures of them anyway. But I love this. I think it's so different to the other one. It's definitely a larger scale farm. I am going to find an area on this island to do like a little pig farm and get some of the money banks, because I did do that on my last island. I had a little farm area for Poppy. Also, if you've noticed, Blather's tent is on the beach and I have no plans on turning it into the big museum. I'm going to keep it as the tent, so I'm going to build his area pretty soon. I think it will be the campsite. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you think it's worth liking, subscribe if you want to. I upload all the time and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Fingers crossed. Okay, bye.